Hey there and welcome back to another Linux video. In today's video, we will be learning about basic commands to start with Linux. Let's get started. First, let's get familiar with our terminal. So to open the terminal in Centos7, simply right click on desktop and you will see an option for open terminal, or you can also go to applications, system tools and then on terminal. So this is our terminal where we will be entering and executing the commands. So when we enter into the terminal, we are logged in through localhost. To log in through root user, simply enter SU, that is switch user, press enter. You will be prompted to enter your root password. Enter the password, press enter. You will see that you are root user. So let's begin with commands. First command is pwd, that is print working directory. So what this command does is it prints the present working directory we are in. So right now I am in /home/Linux. Next command would be ls command, ls. This command lists all the directories in the present directory. Press enter. These are all the directories in this location. Third command is mkdir, that is make directories. If you want to make a new directory, simply enter mkdir and name of the new directory that you want to make. For example, I keep it as demo1. Press enter. And we will make one more directory, that is mkdir demo. I will name it as demo2. Press enter. Now we will do ls, that is list command, ls. So now as you can see, demo1 and demo2 are also added in the list. Now we will see cd command, that is change directory command. So what this command does is it changes a directory. For example, right now I am in Linux directory and I want to go in demo1. So I will just say cd demo1, and as you can see here, now I am in demo1. And now if I want to go back, I will simply type cd space ... press enter, and now I am again in Linux. Likewise, if I want to go in demo2, I will just say cd demo2, press enter, and as you can see, now I am in demo2. To go back to the previous directory, cd space ... Now I am back again in Linux. The next command is touch command. We use this command to make new files. For example, if I want to make a file, I will simply write touch and I will name the file as file1 and enter. Now I will do ls. See, a file named file1 has been made. But now what if you want to make multiple files? Simply type touch file, use cursive bracket and just put in number of files that you want to make, bracket close, enter. And now when we do ls, you can see all the files are made. Now we will talk about cat command. Cat is a reading command but is also used to write or append data. For example, we want to edit a file, file1. So we will do cat file file1. Right now file1 is empty, that's why we have no output. But we can use cat to write data. Simply put cat greater than symbol and the file name as file1. Now here we have to enter the data we have to write in file1. So for example, I am going to write good morning and then press enter and press Ctrl+D to save. Now if I read cat file1, I am getting the output as good morning. So now if I want to append the data, that is add more data to it, simply write cat gives the sign greater than twice. If you want to add the data once, we have to use the greater than sign for once, but if you want to append the data, we have to put the greater than symbol twice. Then the file name, it's file1, enter. Now I will write good afternoon, enter, and then I will press Ctrl+B and it is saved. So we'll do cat file1 again and see good morning and good afternoon both are present. But what if I want to overwrite the complete data? Then I will do cat greater than sign file1, press enter, and if I write here good night, see this time I have given only one. So cat greater than file1, okay, I have used it only once. Ctrl+D, and when I will read the file, it will show only good night because the data has been completely overwritten. So when we have to overwrite the data, we use the sign only once, like cat this and then file 1. But when you want to append the data, we use this symbol twice. Okay. Now the next command is rm command, that is remove command. Remove command is used to delete any files or directories. For example, if we want to remove file 10, see here, this is file 10. If we want to remove this, simply type rm file 10, press enter and press Y and then again enter. Now when we do ls, you won't find file 10. It starts from file 11 here because file 10 has been removed. But when you want to remove a directory, only rm command won't work. See, for example, if I want to remove this directory demo1, so if I put in command rm demo1, it won't work because it is a directory. So to remove a directory, we have to use an option, that is rm -r, that is recursive, and then the directory name, that is demo1, and Y, enter. Now see, demo1 has been removed. Very easy. Let's make the folder again, demo1 ls, see, and now it is back. So now let's talk about copy command, that is cp command. If you want to copy a file, for example, let's copy file 1, so cp file 1, and the new name for the copied file would be cp1. Okay, and then press enter, and when we do ls, we get a cp1. See, here it is cp1, and when we read the file, that is cat cp1, we get goodnight as our data, which was also present in file 1, which we copied. See, both the file contains the same data because cp1 was copy of file 1. Now this was for when we want to copy the file in same directory. But what if we want to copy the file in another directory? The command would be same, cp and then file 1. But now we have to, suppose we have to copy this in demo2 folder. So we should know the exact path of the folder. So we have already seen the path was home Linux and then it would be demo2. Simply put in /home/Linux/demo2, press enter. Now we will change our directory to demo2, enter and ls. Now see, we got file 1 in demo2 directory as well. So this is how the copy commands works. Next command would be uname. Uname is a very simple command. It simply shows the name of the OS that we are using. Uname, press enter, it shows as Linux because our operating system is Linux. Next command would be clear command. As the name suggests, it clears everything from the terminal. And last but not the least, the command would be history. It lists all the command that we have executed since we have logged in the terminal. I hope you like today's video. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section and I will try to answer them. So that is all. Bye bye.